Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install TrollStore and jailbreak iOS 15.8.8 on all of your supported devices. And you can see I have this iPhone 7 here hooked to my computer. You can check out the version here on iTunes, and you can also check out the version right on the device. This video will be divided in two parts. The first part will show you how you can install TrollStore using TrollRestore without a jailbreak, and then we will jailbreak it in the second part. The method shown in this video is completely free. If the same method supports iOS 15.8.9 or higher on your supported devices, I will mention that in the title, in the description, and in the thumbnail. So first of all, we will use TrollRestore to install TrollStore on our device, and then you can use Dopamine to jailbreak iOS 15.8.8. As of making this video, you must use the Dopamine 2.5 beta. You can simply hit releases, scroll, and you will see 2.5 beta 2 here, and from under assets you can get the IPA or the TIPA file. If you are watching this video after the stable release to support iOS 15.8.8 has been released, you can simply get the latest version, whichever it is, which means that the method remains the same. Now, before you begin, make sure that you have installed iTunes from the official Apple's website, as you can see from, and then from there you can get it and install it like any other app. Make sure you restart the computer once after iTunes has been successfully installed. Once iTunes is installed, simply head to the official GitHub page for TrollRestore. Before you get TrollRestore, make sure you head to your Defender and you have to temporarily turn it off so that the process goes smooth. Once TrollStore is installed using TrollRestore, make sure you turn on Defender. Now, from the latest releases, get TrollRestore, and from there you can get this file to your Windows PC. Alright, as you can see, I already got the TrollRestore file here. Now here, as you can see, I did not install Python, so Python installation separately is not required. You only require to install iTunes. Now at this point, connect your iOS device via USB and then hit any trust dialog boxes. Hit on allow or trust. Then simply open TrollRestore. Wait for it to detect your device. Now you can simply enter the name of the app you want to replace as TrollStore helper. So I will go with tips. Alright, press enter. The process is complete. Your device will automatically restart. You will see on your iOS device that the Tips app is now the TrollStore helper. Now you can hit enter to exit. The rest of the process will follow on device. Alright, now if you're on device, you can see it is the same device running iOS 15.8.8. As you can see right here, you can see the build number. And now if I check out the Tips app, you can see it is now the TrollStore helper. Before you hit install TrollStore, make sure Wi-Fi is connected and then hit install TrollStore. Alright, after the respring, simply go in and you will see TrollStore on your home screen. Now to set it up, simply open it. It will automatically install LDIT. Then head to settings and then we will install the persistence helper. So I will go with Tips. Alright. Now, if I open the Tips app, you can see it is now the persistence helper. Now on iOS 15.8.8, it will work even after you restart your device or your battery runs out and you start it up again. So as a demo, I will be turning off my device and then turning it on again. Now let's turn it on again. Alright, once you go in, you can see TrollStore is working fine without issues. If you go into settings, everything is fine and it is ready to go. Now, the second part of this video, jailbreaking iOS 15.8.8. At this point, simply head to Safari and head to the official GitHub page for Dopamine. Alright, now simply scroll down to releases. At the time of making this video, we have Dopamine 2.5 beta, which works with iOS 15.8.8. But if you are watching this video later and you have the stable release which supports iOS 15.8.8 or higher, you can use that one right from here. But for this video, we will have to hit releases, and from there we will choose the 2.5 beta by simply scrolling down. Now from under assets, simply get the dopamine.tpa file here so that we can use it easily with TrollStore. Simply hit download and wait for the download process to finish. Alright, download is complete. Now head to TrollStore and then hit this plus button, select install, and then from there you can go to downloads. If not, you can simply hit on my iPhone or on my iPad, go to downloads, and you'll find this TPA file. Simply hit it and then hit install. Alright, dopamine is now installed. Simply open it and then hit jailbreak. Now select your package manager. I will go with Sileo. Hit continue and wait for the jailbreak process to finish. Alright, at this point simply enter a passcode for sudo. I will recommend using alphabets and then hit set. Alright, once you're back, you will see Sileo here, but in some cases it doesn't appear. It happened with me. So what you can do is you can restart your device and try jailbreaking again, and Sileo will appear, or you can open TrollStore, then head to its settings and then hit the rebuild icon cache button. You can simply open Sileo. Alright, now first of all let's check out the version. It is indeed iOS 15.8.8. It's an iPhone 7. Now go to sources and do a refresh. If you see any updates, do upgrade all and then hit confirm. Alright, now again open Sileo and you can see the version and everything works. Now to make sure that you are ready to run your tweaks, simply hit on search and we will install Allocate from here. Hit on get, we will leave it in queue, then search for preference loader. Hit on get. We have these two, confirm. Don't worry, the reboot device button will not reboot your device, but it will do a user space reboot, so it will return quickly. Alright, we are now in. Sileo can take some time to appear. Alright, it is there. Now let's open it. From there, let's test a tweak like cylinder reborn. It is completely free. Get queue and confirm to install this, then restart Springboard. Now once you go in, you can see it is working, no issues whatsoever. All right, and it is also showing up under settings, so the preference loader is working fine without issues. Now if you want to remove the jailbreak and get back to stock, it is easy. You can open the Dopamine app. From there hit settings, then from there hit remove jailbreak and then hit continue. At this point your device will reboot. Alright, once you are in, you can see the jailbreak is now removed completely. And if you want to delete the Dopamine app, you can simply press and hold and then hit remove app, delete, and it's gone. But yes, TrollStore will keep on working without issues. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.